Chair of Southwest Branch of LSK. Today we had set aside this particular day to enable the advocates to go to the polls to elect their leaders for 2024-2026. As you are able to see behind us, we have the polling center for Kisii chapter where members are still voting. We started the exercise around 8:30 in the morning. It will go up to around 5 when we close. Once we close, we will be able to tally and give out the result. We have 3 polling centers, one in Migori High Court and another one in Homa Bay High Court. So both centers or polling centers run concurrently until around 5 when we start counting the votes cast, and we'll be able now to elect the new leaders. This is in line with the provisions of the LSK Act 2014 together with the regulations 2022. The positions being contested for today are the position of the chair, somebody who takes over from me, the vice chair, the organizing secretary, the treasurer, the secretary general, the Kisii representative, Kisii chapter representative. We have 2 positions which went unopposed, the position of Homa Bay representative and the position of Migori representative. So the rest of the members are going to also elect the